Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Arham Technology Lab. So friends, thank you very much for watching my videos. So today I am again with you guys with a new lecture. So today we are going to learn about SSL security. So in our previous lecture we have created application load balancer, we have created network load balancer both, right? And we also shows to you guys that for HTTP traffic and for a high performance what all load balancer we are using. So for high performance, if anyone needs very high performance, we will go with this network load balancer. And for like HTTP traffic and all, then we will go for application load balancer. So friends, now gets ready to start with our new lecture. So in today's session, we will learn about SSL certificate, right? So when you uh, copy this DNS name of this application load balancer or network load balancer, you will get this sign not secure, right? So to secure this website, sometimes some interviewers may ask a question, how you are uploading a kind of SSL certificate at your load balancer. Either it is application load balancer or network load balancer. Then in that case, guys, if you have watched my video, then definitely tomorrow you will be able to answer to this question directly. So let's get started. I'm very excited about this thing. I will be showing you for both our load balancer how you can upload the certificate, or how we are uploading these certificates in the industry and making their application, making their load balancer very secure, making their internet traffic very secure. Okay, so friends, the process will remain same for both network load balancer and application load balancer. But let me show you first this application load balancer. So you just need to go to this application load balancer. Okay, and these state are inactive, so you just need to click on this application load balancer. Here you will find listeners and rules. Okay, so you can create different listeners, means your this load balancer will listens at this port, and you have to apply some kind of rules here, right? So to secure our traffic which is coming to our load balancer, we have to add different listeners to implement that SSL certificate. Okay, so you just need to go to these listeners. Okay, you just need to click on add listeners. Perfect. Here different kind of configurations will open in front of you. So listeners, okay, so first protocols, it is taken from the previous rules, but now onwards we are, if we are going to make it make it SSL certificate available and make it secure, this URL make it secure, we have to select this protocol HTTPS. Okay, and HTTPS work at port 443. Okay, you can also read all these things while you will be creating these things in your lab, or you are uploading into the live environment, or in the in your project. Okay, so you are going to select this protocol HTTPS, and then again, guys, yeah, you can also keep all these things same. Our target is to provide the SSL, yes, SSL certificate. So you can read here. This is secure socket layer negotiation configuration. Your load balancer uses a SSL negotiation configuration called a security policy to manage SSL connections with the client. Okay. So here, guys, you have to select default SSL is or TLS. Okay, server certificates. Okay, so here it is asking you three kind of like importing this certificate. So first thing first, if this ACM is a kind of service in AWS which basically stores our different SSL certificates and their keys and all. Okay, so it is asking us, while you will be adding any rule to any load balancer, either it is network load balancer or application load balancer, but in our case, we are going to add this rule into our application load balancer. Okay, ALB application load balancer. Okay, so it is asking for, are you going to take the CSC certificate from ACM means Azure Certificate Manager. This is a sorry, no, my bad. It's not Azure. AWS Security Man AWS Certificate Manager. Okay, and from IAM or import a certificate. If you are already having any certificate or a new certificate, then you can import that certificate with this command also. So if you are going to select this from ACM, then it will ask for you to uh, select the certificate from here. So right now I'm not having any certificate. That's why we are not seeing any certificate here. Then from IAM, if you are having any certificate from IAM, okay, then you can also select from this tab. If you wanted to import any certificate, then you have to select import certificate. Okay, and then again here you will find two options: import to ACM, which is a recommended one from AWS, or import to IAM. So we have to select from import to ACM, and you need to provide this certificate private key, certificate body, and certificate chain. Okay, so while you will be creating, I will be also demoing you while we will be studying this SSL certificate in our ACM. Then I will show you how to generate this SSL certificate. There is some standard commands and all. By this, you can generate a open certificate or free certificate. But there is another TLS portal, which certificate provider, which will provide you a particular paid certificate, a paid license for this SSL certificate and all. Okay, so in this way you can just put all this value, and you just need to go and hit on add. In this way you can upload that certificate into your application load balancer. Okay, let me just cancel this. Okay, leave this page. Now the process will remain same for network load balancer as well. You just need to click on this network load balancer. You just need to go to the listeners. You have to add the listeners, and again you have to select this protocol. Okay, so this network load balancer works at port TCP, UDP, okay, and TLS. Okay, so you have to keep this protocol as a TCP. Okay, port 80 only, and you have to okay, 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 1 minute. Just okay, transport layer security. Okay, you have to select this protocol as a TLS port 443, and then you will get all these options to upload your SSL certificate. Here also you can select either from your ACM or from IM, or you can import a new certificate from here. Okay, you have to provide these all these details, and you can just go and hit on add. Then your certificate will be uploaded to your application load balancer. So that was it, friends, for today's session. In our next session, we will be starting with new services from AWS, or I will try to complete auto scaling group from AWS for AWS solution architect perspective. So thanks again, and thank you very much. We will meet you soon. Happy learning, guys. Keep learning, keep going, keep studying. Okay, thank you very much.